Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal Thursday announced that the fine for not wearing a face mask has been increased to 2,000 rupees from 500 rupees earlier. Kejriwal's announcement came at a time when the national capital is witnessing a high surge in novel coronavirus cases in the past week. I appeal to everyone, all religious, social, political parties, and organizations to distribute masks to people on the street. If you wear a mask, the chances of you getting coronavirus minimize. It is very much needed to lower the coronavirus cases in Delhi. Please wear a mask, said Kejriwal. He also said that Chhath Puja celebrations in public places like ponds, lakes and rivers will remain prohibited in Delhi. He urged people to celebrate the festival at home this year. We want our brothers and sisters to celebrate Chhath Puja very nicely. Please celebrate, but if 200 people enter into a pond at a time, and even if just one of them has coronavirus, all of them will contract the infection. This is also the opinion of experts. You can imagine that coronavirus will be spread on a large scale. So, celebrations are not banned. What is banned is the entering of a large number of people in a pond or river at once. Let's celebrate at homes, he said. CM Kejriwal, who held an all-party meet to review COVID situation in Delhi earlier today, also added that this is not the time for politics. I told all parties in the meet that it's a difficult time for the people of Delhi when COVID cases are rising. It's not the time for politics, there is an entire lifetime for it. We should set aside politics and allegations for a few days. This is the time to serve people. All the parties agreed that this is the time for all of us become one and serve the people of Delhi, he said. I urge each one of you to thank all the doctors and appreciate our gratitude to them. Even though coronavirus cases in the capital are rising, the medical superintendents and health workers have managed to keep everything running smooth, said Kejriwal. Delhi recorded 7,486 fresh coronavirus cases on Wednesday, taking the infection tally in the national capital to over 5 lakh. Moreover, at 131 new fatalities, Delhi recorded the highest single-day death count till date, pushing the toll to 7,943. The active cases tally on Wednesday rose to 42,458 from 42,004 the previous day. The bulletin said that the total number of cases has climbed to 5,03,084, while the recovery rate stood at over 89%.